Hey friends, today we're talking about Stoic habits that completely transformed my life in just 1 week. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but stick with me. You'll want to hear this. These aren't random tips. You're getting real, practical Stoic habits that I personally added to my daily routine, and the results were incredible. Whether you want to boost productivity, improve mental clarity, or just feel calmer and more in control, these Stoic habits can help. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. And hey, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content packed with life-changing tips. Stoic Habit 1. Waking up early. The first Stoic habit that changed my life was waking up early. I know, I wasn't a morning person either, but starting my day earlier gave me quiet, peaceful moments to think, plan, and center myself. I combined waking up early with light exercise, meditation, and setting daily intentions. These small intentional actions set a positive tone for the day. Even waking up just a little earlier than usual can give you a sense of control and clarity, a key principle of Stoic habits. Stoic Habit 2. Daily exercise. Next up is daily movement. Exercise isn't just about fitness, it's a Stoic habit for the mind. Moving my body every day helped me feel more energized, less stressed, and more focused. I started with simple routines like yoga, jogging, or bodyweight exercises. Over time, exercise became my way of practicing self-discipline, a core concept in Stoic habits. And trust me, it's not about being perfect, it's about consistency and effort. Quick reminder, if you're finding these Stoic habits useful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more life-transforming tips. Stoic Habit 3. Journaling. Journaling is another powerful Stoic habit. Taking time each day to write down thoughts, reflections, and gratitude helped me see patterns in my behavior and gain clarity. Stoicism teaches self-reflection, and journaling is a perfect way to practice that. Even just a few minutes a day can improve focus, emotional balance, and self-awareness. Grab a notebook tonight and start jotting down your thoughts. You might be surprised at how freeing it feels. Stoic Habit 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is a subtle but impactful Stoic habit. Paying attention to every bite, savoring food, and being present during meals helped me feel healthier and more in control of my choices. Stoicism emphasizes awareness and intentionality, and eating mindfully is a simple way to practice both. Even one mindful meal a day can make a big difference in your energy and overall well-being. Stoic Habit 5. Limiting screen time. Finally, limiting screen time is a crucial Stoic habit for modern life. Endless scrolling and binge-watching can drain energy and disrupt focus. By reducing non-essential screen time, I discovered extra hours to read, reflect, or simply enjoy life offline. Stoicism values clarity and purpose, and cutting down screen distractions is a practical way to live by those principles. Try setting boundaries. It's life-changing. Implementing these Stoic habits helped me feel calmer, more focused, and more in control of my life. Start small. Pick one habit and see how it feels. Remember, Stoicism is about progress, not perfection. I'd love to hear which Stoic habit you're going to try first. Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips on living a focused, intentional life. Small, consistent habits really do lead to big transformations. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Keep growing, keep evolving, and let's turn our everyday routines into powerful Stoic habits. See you in the next video.